Dabang Mumbai carved out their maiden victory in the Hero Hockey India League when they edged past Kalinga Lancers 2-1 at the Mahindra Stadium on Sunday. Mumbai, who had drawn 2 games and lost 3, thus kept their quarter-final hopes afloat by moving past the Lancers into the 5th place in the 6-team tournament. For the visitors, it was their 6th defeat in the 7 games and it resulted in them moving to the bottom of the table, and it would be very difficult for them to recover from this defeat and advance into the semi-finals.